I'm going to break down how YouTube works in the most simple way possible. I'm Eddie, and I want you to be a YouTube success. Did you see what I did there? I used the thumbnail to direct your attention to the title. Then I'm going to tell you in the title exactly what I'm doing with this video. Once you click on the video, I've got 2 seconds to capture your attention enough to keep you on there. Then the video's got to keep your attention long enough for you to get to the end where the climax and denouement are going to be. Let me tell you about those. In storytelling, the climax is going to be the big reveal. The denouement is just going to be a little bit of details afterwards talking about why the whole thing happened. This video's got to keep your attention all the way through it, but you have to be able to get their attention in the first place, which is why those steps are all in place. At the end of the denouement, everything's wrapped up. People know why everything happened. That's where you got to get their attention for the next video. Basic thing is you need to follow those steps and put those priorities out there. So you take care of that thumbnail first and title second, and then you've got to have a great video that climaxes at the end. That is how you make YouTube success. Hope this helps. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you be a YouTube success.